We have the Honeywell HEPA air filter. I love this unit. I use it every single day. I have a lot of allergies, so I was looking for a HEPA certified air filter unit. This fits the bill. They sell these in a whole bunch of different models depending on the size room that you have, some larger, some smaller. This one uses 2 air filters and a pre-filter for it. I use this in conjunction with allergen spray, dust mite spray, a HEPA vacuum, and a HEPA certified air filter for my AC unit. So I use this specifically in my bedroom at night. I like to use it as a white noise machine, but also filters the air. There's a whole bunch of different settings on it. There's allergen, general clean, and germ, and they basically, what it means is like low, medium, and high settings. So it filters the air more. There is a turbo setting on here. There's also a dimmer because the lights go on when you turn the unit on. And there's also a timer on it for 8 hours, 4 hours, or 2 hours. There is a check filter tab and a check pre-filter. And so now if you open up the unit itself, you have a pre-filter, and then you also, which I need to change, and then you also have your 2 3M HEPA certified air filters. You will want to change these depending on how dusty your place is. You'll want to change these every 3 months, or you kind of just look at the filters and you kind of see if they're dirty or not. They are generally very white. And then you also have the pre-filter that you will also change, I believe, every 6 months. But you should also just check it often to see how dusty your place is. I think it depends on, you know, how much dust, how much you're actually filtering other things in the house, how many rugs you have, you know, do you have any pets? But overall, this thing is great for my bedroom. I've noticed clean air. It's like the first day I got it, that first night that I used it and I woke up the next day, you can just smell how much fresher the air is overall. And I always leave it on the allergen setting at night. It's also a great way to kind of block out any sort of noise in the house if you're living with other people, or there's a lot of outside noise too. So that's another thing that kind of helps out with it too, just a noise generator, but also an air filter to have fresher, cleaner air in the morning. And before this, I generally would wake up with stuffy nose, but after using this, you know, the first week I was breathing better, and it's just one of those things that you kind of have to maintain. You have to kind of, you know, just set a reminder for yourself to be like, you know what, I'm gonna check the filter every week. You know, I have to change the filter maybe, you know, every 1 to 3 months. And then also you have to change out the pre-filter too. So it's just one of those things that you kind of have to add to your list for maintenance to help you overall. But I have a lot of allergies, indoor and outdoor. I'm extremely allergic to dust. So anything that will help out my breathing situation is always a plus. So I definitely recommend picking this up. It's a great unit.